Hello aspirants, today we'll be solving math section of UB Group 2022. So without wasting our time, let us go directly to the question. So let's see first question, that is question number 51. And it's saying 0.003 multiplied by 0.0004. So question, where to find this question mark? How you will do? Just write it down like this, 0.004. Then you multiply 0.003. See, more the number of digits you write at the top and less the number of digits you write at the bottom. Okay, start with the multiplication like you used to do. Normally, 3 into 4 is 12. Carry 1, 3 0 0 is 0. This one will come down. Then the rest, 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Now remember this one, don't go for multiplication like this, 0 0 0 4 is 0 0 0 0 0 0. Don't go like this. What you will do is just multiply this one. 0 4 is 0. Now count the remaining number 1 2 3 4. You'll get 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will be 0 only. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, but this part you have to remember, you have to give double x. Okay, double x cross mark. Then again for this 0, then again how many number? 1 2 3 4 5. Now we'll have to give triple mark, triple cross mark. So again you have to multiply by 0. So you'll get how much? 0 0 0 0 0 5 times. Start with the addition. 2 will be 2 only, 1 will be 1 only, the rest 0 will be 0, 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 and 0 will be 0. Now what about the decimal point? Decimal point we have already taught. So you have to count the number of digits between this two decimal points. Okay, so count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 digits between these two decimal points. So what you will do, start from the right hand side towards the left hand side. Okay, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so after this 7 digit you have to give this decimal point. The answer will be this one. Okay, now check for the option. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 zeros and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, 6 zeros. So where is this 6 0 here? This one will not be the answer, this one will not, this one 1 2 3 4 5. So this will not be the answer. Okay, so our correct answer will be option number D. Count 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0. So answer will be this one. Okay, let's move to the next question. That is question number 52. Okay, so 52, question number 52 is, if the sum of two numbers, you have to remember what is sum. Sum is addition of all numbers, so this will be plus. Okay, and is 16. Sum of two numbers is 16, and their product means what? Multiplication. Okay, multiplication is how much? 63. What is the larger number? So you have to find the larger number. So let us do like this. There are two methods for this one using the formula, the other one directly. I'll just use logic, okay, for this one. So you try to do like this only. So sum of two numbers, like we used to write, let the number be x and y. So just write x and y. Sum means addition of these two. You'll have to get how much? 16. And product, x, product means multiply, y is how much? So you have to get 63. So think of those two number, which will, while adding you'll get 16, and while multiplying you'll get 63. Those two number, if you add you'll get 16, if you multiply you'll get 63. So for example, if I give you a number 8, one number is 8, the other number is also 8. Okay, 8 and 8. If you add this two, you'll get how much? 8 plus 8 is 16. But 8 multiplied by 8 will be how much? Will be 64. So what we need is 63. When you multiply you need 63. When you add 16 you're getting, but when you multiply you're getting 64. So this will not be the correct answer. Okay, so let's go for another example. For this one, let's see if you get, one number is 10, the other number is 6. Okay, so if you add this two you'll get 16, but when you multiply this two number you'll get how much? 10 into 6 is 66. So what you need is 16 and 63. 16 and 63, but you're getting 16 and 66. Again, this will be wrong. Okay, now let's check another number. Now think of that number which will make 16 and 63. So let us take one number as 9, the other number as 7. You add this one, you'll get 16. Then 9 into 7. If you multiply into 7 is 63. So see here, you're getting 16 also and 63 also. Well, we need 16 and 63. So the correct answer will be which one? For example, if you have taken x as 9, y as 7. So we are getting this two number which is making 16 and 63. So what we need is, what is the larger number? So out of this two, which one is the largest number? It is 9. So answer will be 9. Okay, option number A. For question number 52, answer will be option number A. I hope you have understood. If not, rewind and watch it again and again. Okay. And one more thing we have seen in comment, that many of you are saying it is taking time. So I want to make it clear that for teaching, while teaching, it will be a long process. Okay, while teaching, it will take much time, but once you start practicing and do it by yourself, it will not be taking much time. Okay, you will do it. You don't have to explain to anyone. Just write it down and do it. Okay, and answer script or while practicing also. Once you practice more, you will be doing it much more earlier. Okay, so let's go for the next question. It is question number 53. Question number 53. A canteen requires 798 bananas for a week. Now, totally how many bananas will it require for the months of January, February and March of 2022? So what they are saying, for 1 week they are taking 798 bananas for 1 week. And what we have to find is, we have to find for this 3 months, January, February and March. This is a bit tricky, you have to remember. Okay, for let's see how you will do. First you will do it for 1 week. 1 week has how many days? 7 days. Okay, so for 7 days they are taking how many bananas? 798. Do it like this. Okay, remember. So for 1 day is how many bananas? For 1 day it will be 798. Then this 7 will come down. Okay, divide by 7. Do the division here at the rough side. 798. Okay, divide. 7 1 is 7. Bring this 9 here. So 1 is 7 minus 2. Bring this 8 down. 7 4 is 28. So we'll get 114. So for 1 day, how many bananas is required? We need 114 bananas. Okay, banana, bananas. Okay, bananas. For 1 day we need how many bananas? 114 bananas. So what they are asking is for the month of January, February and March. Now you have to remember, for January how many days, February how many days are there, and March how many days are there. So do it this way. For January has how many days? January has 31 days. Then February it has you have to remember, for February you'll have to remember it is a leap year or not. So 2022 it is a leap year or not. How you will know? To know the method for leap year, what you do is divide the year by 4. Okay, if it is completely divided by 4, that means it is a leap year. If it is not completely divided by 4, then it is not a leap year. For example, this one, 4 5s are 20. Then you get this 2 down. 4 0 is 0 2. Then bring this 2 down. 4 5s are 20 again. So we are getting remainder here. This is not completely divisible by 4, so it is not a leap year. Okay, this 2022 is not a leap year. That means February has how many days? If it is not a leap year, February has 28 days. If it is a leap year, February will have 29 days. Okay, and March will have how many days? 31 days. If you don't know how to count the days, you'll have to remember one thing. You have to count your fist. Okay, from fist, let me draw here. So if our fist is like this, okay, see our fist is like this. No, I cannot draw exactly, but you have to know. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have this number of 7 for here. Like I have drawn here, 1 2 3, this small one 4 5, small one 6, then 7. See, okay, this one is bigger, 1, this smaller here, 2, this will be 3 4. Okay, that means January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Then again July, August, September, October, November, December. For example here, 1 will be January. The bigger one is 31 days. Okay, January has how many days? 31 days. This two smaller one, okay, this smaller one is February. This will depend, like I said, February will depend on leap year, 29 or 28 days. Then again, the bigger one will be March. This will have 31 days. Then this four smaller one will have 30 days. This will be April. Then continue. April 5 will be May 31. 6 will be June 30. 7 will be July 31. Now for August, you have to go backward now. 7, start from here only. 31. August is also 31. Then you go again 31. August, September will be 30. October will be 31. November will be 30. And December will be 31. Okay. So you have to remember like this. So let's come back to the question. Okay, we have this number of days in this 3 months. So add all this, because for 1 day we're getting 114. For this three months we have to multiply the number of days. Okay, or we have to add this days first, then multiply with the number of bananas. Okay, so add 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 0, carry 1. 1 2 3 4 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So total number of days will be how much for this 3 months? This will be 90 days. And for 1 day banana was how much? 114. What you will have to do now is just multiply to get for this 3 months. 114 multiply by 90. Okay, start with the multiplication. 0 is 0, 0, 0. 9 4 is 36, carry 3. 9 1 is 9, 10 11 12, carry 1. 9 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So add 0 6 2 0 1. We are getting 102. We are getting 10260. Okay, so the answer will be 10260. Let's see the option. In this question, the options are 10480, 10277, 10586, 10374. So what we have got is 10260. The option is totally different. I think there is some mistake in this question. So the answer will be for this question will be this one. Okay, 10260. So if you are not understanding, just repeat. You might get this type of question again in UBSI or UB group, or again AB group. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Remember, this will be the answer. Okay, so if you are not understanding, you can even take screenshot and then practice it later. Okay, let's go for the next question now. That is question number 54. So let's go 54. 54. It is find 12% of 5,000. So for 12% of 5,000, how we will do this type of question? Again, we have taught already. So 12%, change it to normal number. 12 divided by 100. This percentage will come as 100. Okay, but multiply by 5,000. Start with the cancellation. 1 0 is gone. The other 0 is gone. The remaining 12 into 50. So 12 into 50 will be how much? Multiply at the side. 50. 2 into 0 is 0, 2 5 is 10, 1 0 is 0, 1 5 is 5. So we get add 0 0 6 600. So answer for question number 54 will be option number B. Okay, answer is 600. Let's go to the next number. Next question, that is question number 55. In a school of 850 boys, total number of boys is how much? 850. There are 44% are Muslims, 28% are Hindus, and 10% are Sikhs. And the remaining of other communities, the remaining will be the other communities. How many belong to the other question? Okay, what this question trying to say is there are total number of 850 in a school, 850 number of boys. Okay, out of that 850, 44% are Muslims. So let me write it down here. 44 Muslims are how many? 44%. Okay, now remember, when you talk about percentage, this will always be 100%. The total number of percentage would be 100%. Okay, so let's break it down. Muslims are 44%, Hindus are how much? 28%. 28% are Hindu. Then Sikhs are how much? Sikhs are 10%. And we have another one, that is other communities. Okay, other communities. So how we'll know about other communities? What you will do, you'll have to add 44, then this 28, then this 10. So total will be how much? 4 plus 8 is 12, carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. See, 82%. If you add this Muslim, Hindus and Sikhs, they are 82%. Now for other communities, we don't know how much other communities. So how you will do? Total, I said 100%. Okay, so out of 100%, 82 are Muslims, Hindus and Sikhs. So other community will be the remaining of this minus this one. Okay, 100 minus 82. So just do like this: 100 minus 82. 100 minus 82. Okay, minus 10 minus 2 will be 8. This will be 9. 9 minus 8 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, so 18% will be the other communities. So 18% will be other communities, and they are asking how many belong. Now we have to find in numbers, not in percentage. How many belong to the other communities? As we can see in percentage, it is 18%. So total number were 850. Multiply by this 18%. 18% is what? 18 by 100. Start with the cancellation. 0 and 0. 5 2 is 10, and 5 1 is 5. 5 7 is 5 7 is 5 1 is 5. 5 7 is 35. Then 2 1 is 2. 2 9 is 18. Just multiply this 2. 17 multiply by 9. How much will get? 17 multiply by 9. 7 is 63. Carry 6. 7 9 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So answer will be how much? Other communities will be 153. Okay, in numbers 153. So answer will be option number C for question number 55. Let's move to next question. Again, I'm saying if you are not understanding, just repeat, okay, or rewind and check it again and again. Let's go for next question. That is question number 56. 56 is square root of 400. This one also we have taught already. Square root of 400. You'll have to write it like this. And to find the square root, use factorization method. 400. Start with factorization. 200 is 400. 100 is 200. 250 is 100. Then 225 is 50. Then 5 into 5 is 25. Okay. So write it down here. How many? 1 2 3 4. 4 2s. 1 2 3 4. Multiply by how many? 5. 5 into 5. Now pair it in number of 2s. Okay. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 5 into 5. Once you are done with pairing, just start like this. 2 into 2. How many 2s? 2. So write 2 square. Okay. Then again, how many 2? 2. Then how many 5? 2. Okay, so start, see the square. Since it is square root, you can cancel and write it down outside the square root. Okay, so 2 into 5. Multiply this one. 2 2s are 4. 5 is 20. So square root of 4 is how much? It is 20. So for 56, answer will be option number C. Okay, let's move for the next question. That is question number 57. 57. Let me drop this one. 57. Okay, so 57 is, if the cost of 12x is rupees 40, what will be the cost of 3x? So what they are saying is the cost of 12x cost of 12x is how much? It's rupees 40. Okay, 40 rupees. If you go to the shop and buy 12x, you'll have to pay 40 rupees. Now they're asking what will be the cost of 3x. So if 12x costs rupees 40, how you will do? So one cost of one egg will be how much? Cost of one egg will be, yeah, cost of one egg will be how much? Will be 40 divided by 12. This 12 will come down, right? So don't cancel. Okay, you'll get in decimal point, so don't cancel it. Leave it like this. Now how many they are asking? Cost of 3 egg will be how much? Cost of 3 eggs will be, first of all, for one egg it is 40 by 12. And for 3 egg, what you will do? You'll have to multiply by 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 4 is 12. 4 1 is 4. 4 10 is 40. So this will be how much? Rupees 10. Cost of 3x will be rupees 10. Okay, so for 57, answer will be option number B. Let's go to next question will be question number 58. So this is question number 58 is a reasoning question. Okay, we say distance and direction as well. So y travels 15 kilometers due south. Okay, let me draw one picture here. You'll have to remember this one. Okay, I hope you all, many of you know about this one. So this top one, it will be what? It will be north. It will be called as north. The right one, it is east. Right one is east. The bottom one is, you can say, south, and the left is west. Okay, so when you go up, it is north. When you go right, it is east. When you go down, it is south. When you go left, it is west. And for some other questions, you might get this will be what? Northeast. So we can write it as NE. This one is southeast. Okay, SE. This one is southwest, and this one will be northwest. Okay, northwest. It's clear? So let's read the question. Y travels 15 kilometers due south. This type of question, just read and start with the drawing. Okay, Y travels 15 kilometers due south. If this is Y, it's going 15 kilometers towards the south. Like I said, go down. So this will be 15 kilometers. Now, next is then 5 kilometers due west. 5 kilometers due west. West is towards the left side. So 5 kilometers traveling towards west. Okay. Now again, then 18 kilometers due north. Again, it is going 18 kilometers towards north. So north is up. So you go up. 18. See, this is 15. Okay, 15. So 15 will be till here. Then you'll have to add 3 more. So this will be total of 18 kilometers. Then 3 kilometers due south. Again, from there it's coming back south. South means what? Down. So up to here will be 3 kilometers. Then 5 kilometers due east. Now from here it will go 5 kilometers due east. Since it is 5 kilometers, so this will go back to its own position from starting point. Okay, it will go back to its starting point. So what they're asking, how far is he from starting point? See, it is at the same point only. It went, traveled that much, and it reached at the same point. So distance will be how much? It will be 0 kilometers only. It is back to its own position. Okay, so let's go for the next question. This type of question is not that much tough, so but you have to be careful with the question. Okay, let's look at the question number 59. So 4 gardeners with 4 mowers mow 400 square meters of ground in 4 hours. How long would it take for 8 gardeners with 8 grass mowers to mow 800 square meters of the ground? Okay, so this type of question, you have to use one formula. First of all, you have to know what is given. Okay, so let me tell you about the question first. There are, see, 4 gardeners are there. Okay, 4 gardeners, and then 400 meters. They are covering 400 meters. They are moving 400 meters in 4 hours. Okay, so remember, this type of question is like time and work. Okay, so what formula you'll use for this one is you have to remember M1 into H1 by total work 1. You have to equal M2 into H2 by total work 2. Okay, so here for the first part, there's four gardeners, right? 4 gardeners. So M1 will be 4 gardeners. Total work will be how much? Because you are working for that 400 meter field, so total work will be 400 meter. And then for time will be H1 will be how much? 4 hours. Okay, and the second part of the question says, how long would it take for 8 gardeners? Now M2 will be what? M2 will be your 8 gardeners, because there are 8 gardeners, 8 men working. Next, with 8 grass mowers to mow 800, total work is how much? 800 square meters. Now before it was 400, now it's 800 meters square. Now how long would it take? So the time we don't know. Okay, H2 we don't know. Well, we have to find as H2. So use this formula to find this type of question. Okay, so let me put this values instead of M1 and H1. So let's go. M1 is 4 into H1 is 4 divided by total work. How T1 is TW1 is 400 equal M2 here is 8 into H2 here is, we don't know, keep it as it is, H2, and because we have to find that TW2 is, that is total work 2 is 800. Okay, so don't be confused. I'm just putting these values, okay, same these values only in this formula. Okay, and we are getting this one. So let us just do with the cancellation. Let us start cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, then again 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 25. So also 8 ones are 8, 800 is 800. So what we are left with is 1 into 1. At the top we have 1 only numerator, at denominator is 25 equal h2 into 1 is h2, divide by 100. So start with the cross multiplication. We have 1 into 100 will be 100, and 25 into h2 will be 25 h2. Okay, so we need h2 only. We need h2. So how we will do is bring this 25 down. Okay, so 100 divided by 25 equal to h2. Start with the cancellation. 5 5 is 25, 5 20 is 100, 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. So how much will be h2? H2, that is hour. Okay, h2 will be 4 hours. So the answer will be 4 hours. So question number 59. For question number 59, answer will be option number D. Let's go for question number 60. In a class of 60 students, the ratio of boys to girls is 3:2. How many girls are there in the class? This type of question has already been done. So let's take there are total number of 60 students. Ratio of boys to girls. Boys to girls. How many boys? 3. How many girls? 2. In ratio, okay, not in numbers, in ratio. So let us take 3x. Whenever we do ratio questions, you have to take one extra, x or any variable. Okay, x, a, b, c, anything. So they are saying what? Ratio of boys to girls. How many girls are there in the class? So we have to find this one. How many girls are there? So total number. First, what you'll do, add this to 3x plus 2x equal to total number is how much? 60. Find the value of x there. 3 plus 2 is 5x equal to 60. Then x will be equal to 60. Bring this 5 down. Start with the cancellation. 5 1, 5 1, 2, 5 12 is 60. So x is how much? 12. Okay. Now girls. How many girls? We have 2x. Girls. You have to find girls, right? Girl. How many girls are there in the class? So girls is 2x. So we know the value of x. 2 multiplied by 12. You get how much? 24. Okay. So for question number 60, answer will be option number D. Okay. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 61. Which one of the following is a prime number? Like F1D taught you which one how to find prime number, so you can just check our last videos and see. Okay, so which one of the following is prime number? So here 19 is a prime number. The prime number has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. And other like composite numbers have which type of numbers? Well, how many factors? More than 2. Okay, more than 2 is composite, and only 2 is prime number. So let's go to the next. That is question number 62. So this will be the last question for today. Then we'll solve the rest of the remaining questions in the next video. Okay. Ram borrows rupees 520 from Govind at simple interest. Remember, simple interest of 13% per annum. Okay, per annum. What amount of money should Ram pay to Govind after 6 months to pay of the debt? So let me recall. Simple interest. What is the formula? It is principal into rate into time by 100. Okay, so here principal is how much? 520. Remember how much they have borrowed. Let's say 520. This will be principal. Rate is how much? They are taking in 13%. 13%. And what amount of money should Ram pay to the Govind after 6 months? Remember, time will be how much? They are taking 6 months. And for one year has how many months? 1 year has 12 months. Okay, so 6 months will be, if you count in years, we will always remember time is always counted in years. So 6 you divide by 12. 6 1 is 6, 6 2. Like we said, we used to say, right, half of the month. That means 6 months already. 1 year has 12 months, so half 6 months will be how many years? Will be half of the year. Okay, half of the year, so time will be 1/2 years. Okay, just put in the formula now. P, we know SI will be how much? P is 520 into R is how much? 13 into 2 is 1/2 divided by 100. Start with the cancellation. See, this 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 0. 2 0 0 gets cancelled. Then this one will be how much? 2 5 is 10, 2 13 is 13 is okay, let me do again. 2, if you multiply 520, if you divide 520, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 5 is 1, 2 6 are 12, 0 260. Okay, this will be 260. Then start again, we have 0 and 0 cancels. 2 5 is 10, 2 13 is okay. Now you multiply 13 into 13. 13 into 13 will be how much? Half of the year. 13 into 13 will be 169 divided by 5. Okay, so if you divide this one by 5, you get 32. Okay, you will be getting how much? Just divide 169 by 5. You get 5 3s. Let me rub this one. Okay, otherwise you'll be confused. So 5 3s are 15. You bring this 1 here, because if you minus 6 minus 5 is 1, then bring this 9 here. 5 3 is 15. You'll get minus 4. Then point, you give 0, would be 40. 5 8 is how much? 40. So like the question is we are getting how much? 33.8. okay, 33.8 simple interest. We are getting 33.8. The actual one, how much? What do we have to find is what amount of money should Ram pay to government after 6 months. So he has taken rupees 520. After adding the interest, how much it will be? So what you will do is add this 5. First amount was 520, then add this 33.8 interest. When you borrow amount from bank, also you have to repay with interest. Okay, so you add this one, it will be 8 3 5. This will be 3 5 and 5. So total amount Ram has to pay is how much? 553.8. okay, 553.8. okay, so the answer is option number B. So I hope it is clear, and if it is not clear also, just rewind and watch it again. Okay, thank you so much and all the best. I hope you will prepare well for your upcoming exams. Thank you.